What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add someone on WhatsApp. Adding contacts on WhatsApp is straightforward and can be done in two primary ways. The first method involves using your phone's contact application. Begin by launching the Contact app on your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon to create a new contact. Here, you'll need to enter the contact's name in the designated field. After entering the name, proceed to add their phone number. It's crucial to include the country code before the phone number to ensure WhatsApp can correctly recognize and integrate this contact into your WhatsApp contact list. Once you've entered the name and phone number, tap Done to save the new contact. After saving the contact in your phone's Contact app, you will need to sync this contact with WhatsApp. Launch WhatsApp on your device. Tap the chat icon, usually found in the bottom right corner, to initiate a new conversation. Scroll through the contact list or use the search bar at the top to locate the contact you just added. Once found, select it to start a conversation. In case you prefer a more direct route, know that you can add new contacts within the WhatsApp app itself. While using WhatsApp, go to the chat section. Look for the chat icon, tap it and select Add New Contact. This option allows you to directly enter a new contact's details. Enter the number with the correct country code. WhatsApp will automatically verify if the number is associated with a WhatsApp account. Then add the contact's name or username. After filling in the details, tap Save to add the contact to your WhatsApp list. Following these steps will let you easily add contacts to WhatsApp, either by using your phone's Contact app or directly through WhatsApp. This flexibility ensures you can always stay connected with friends, family or colleagues on one of the most popular messaging platforms worldwide. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.